The very first glass making occurred naturally in the form of obsidian formed during volcanic eruption. People made glass since at least 5000 years BC, when it was discovered by accident when the heat from the fires melted the basic ingredients of glass together. It was not only about 3500 years BC that it was used, firstly for glazing clay pots and then for making objects such as vases. Various objects using different production methods were made throughout the centuries until the beginning of the 20th century, when modern mass production techniques were developed. The main ingredients of glass making is silica, which has a very high melting point of over 2000 degrees Celsius. It is possible to make highly specialized products from just the silica, such as halogen lamps or one of the materials in fiber optic cables. This is because it has such a melting point and is stronger than normal glass. A number of different ingredients can be added to the glass to change the properties of the finished products. For example, lead, to make leaded or crystal glasses. The lead has better reflective properties and therefore the glass seems to sparkle. This kind of glass also adds itself to be cut to form decorative patterns on the glass. Boron. This changes the thermal and electrical properties of the glass and it's used to make Pyrex glassware, which can withstand extremes of heat and cold. Lanthanum oxide. This has excellent light reflective properties and it's used to make high-quality lenses in glasses. Thorium oxide was formerly used, but due to its radioactivity, this is no longer the case. Iron, used to absorb infrared energy, for example, heat-absorbing filters in movie projectors. range of additives can be used to make glass into different colors. Although glass appears to be clear and actually green, it is extremely difficult to make completely clear glass. Metals and oxides can be used to color glass. Traditional glass blowing. Drinking glasses and other objects such as glass bowls and vases were originally made by hand blowing. This glass-making method is still used today and is high-quality skilled, craft producing high-quality and more unique products. A hollow blowing iron or pipe is dripped into the molten glass, which is rotated and gathers the glass. This is then rolled in an iron slab to form the parison. It is further manipulated by retening and blowing so that it is formed the rough shape of the mold. This is then transferred to the final mold, which is wet with the water. The water forms a steam cushion so that the glass does not actually through the mold. The craftsman blows air into the pipe to blow the parison into shape while it's continuously rotating the pipe to prevent blemishes from forming.